Look what I found at Costco. Shredded dried pork. So this is actually a quite popular food item in China, and it has versatile use in different dishes or even as snack. It has several other names including dried or fried pork floss or pork flake, in case you're interested in looking it up. Well, it's really yummy. The commercialized product may not be the healthiest choice. For example, this one, a single serving of 28 grams of this kind of dried pork contains 11 grams of carbs. Oh yeah, this does sound a little scary, but today I am going to make this less guilty by pairing it with my newly found recipe for a low-carb bread. So if you remember, or if you've seen the no flour low carb bread that I made last time, and if you feel it's a little bit more on the eggy side, this one today probably will give you a better taste, because first of all, we use less eggs, and then the main ingredients are almond flour, coconut flour, heavy cream, healthy no flavor oil. Today we're using avocado oil. Chia seeds are optional, and our old friend sugar alcohol, and avocado mayo. Alright, since this has a kind of a longer list of ingredients, I'm having my cheat sheet on the side. First of all, almond flour around 40 grams, 2 tablespoons of coconut flour, This is actually a relatively easy to blend mixture, so I'm taking advantage of my hand mixer, and but if you don't have it, you can also easily blend it with your hand. Less than a minute and we're done blending this part. All right, now comes the egg white part. Still with my very trusted and highly efficient quick blend mixer from Tivolo. We're going to beat the egg whites until it's very stiff. Almost 3 cups of stiffened beaten egg white. And then what we need to do is to mixing them together. So without disturbing the egg white too much, we will add a little bit of egg white into our main mixture for the initial mixing. Okay, we're done mixing. prepare a baking pan. The one I'm using is a 9x9. Line it with wax paper and then pour the mixture in. Alright, it's almost flat. And for this one, for some additional flavor and looks, I am adding a sprinkle of chopped green onion. Here's a half tablespoon of black sesame. Same with my countertop toaster oven. I have already preheated to 350 Fahrenheit. All you need to do is to put in the low carb bread mix. Turn on turbo if you have the option, set it at 350, and then we'll bake for 20 minutes. All right, 20 minutes has passed. Let's take our bread out for a closer look. It's not necessary to wait for this bread to fully cool down to begin our next step. Actually, it is easier to work with the bread while it's still warm to shape it. So let us free up the bread on the side with a new sheet of wax paper. Flip the whole bread. Do you still remember the porks? So here is 42 grams of the shredded dried pork, which is approximately 8 tablespoons. And now we are going to prep the bread with our avocado mayo. If you are on a keto diet, feel free to be rather generous on spreading the mayo, which I am using approximately 6 tablespoons of it. So to try it, I cut myself a relatively smaller piece, and then let's divide the rest into 3 equal parts. This is so good. You gotta try it. Well, if you look at the calculated nutrition facts based on the label, you will notice that it's actually not too bad. That's why I call this less guilty shredded pork bun. However, it doesn't mean that we cannot further improve it by using our own homemade shredded dried pork, which is my next goal. So I am going to finish enjoying this piece. I hope you enjoy this video and like our video, and even better, subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, so that you won't miss our next fun video. See you next time.